Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe tender coconut pudding. Really the tastiest pudding ever. So let's move on. Ingredients: half cup of coconut water, 1 cup of milk, sugar, tender coconut pulp, 8 gram of china grass, roasted cashew powder, roasted sweet coconut powder and condensed milk. Take one vessel and add milk. Let it boil. Take one vessel and add some water and add china grass. Let it melt. Take one mixie jar and add some pulp and add coconut water. Grind it in a thick paste. Add sugar to the boiled milk. Add condensed milk. And combine well. Add melted china grass to the boiled milk. And mix it well. Then add grinded coconut pulp to the boiled milk. Combine well. Now the tender coconut pudding is ready. Serve it in a bowl. So let's cool, keep it aside for 1 hour. So tender coconut pudding is set now. So let's decorate. Add some sweet coconut powder. Then add some cashews and keep it in a refrigerator 4 to 5 hours. So the tender coconut pudding is ready now. So let's have a slice. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.